Hi, welcome to Explore Kurdistan. Today I will talk about Zhazhi. Oh, don't be mistaken, it's not a French word. Zhazhi is like cheese, but it's fat-free. It's very popular. I have never seen it in any country in the world except here in Kurdistan. People love it, and what differentiates Zhazhi from cheese is completely fat-free cheese mixed with some mountain vegetable, and people usually eat it in the morning. And it's so popular among some tribes. Like there was two guys sitting together in one of the village, and one asked the other guy, he said, what's your favorite food in the breakfast? He said Zhazhi with bread. And he said, he said to other guy, what about you? He said, well, you said everything, so there's nothing left to talk about it. Usually Zhazhi is made in the mountain by nomads, and there are many nomads in the mountain still, and where the shopkeepers here, they go and they bring it from the nomad. It's very, it's very healthy. Maybe some people they don't like the taste. It depends on. It's not like sweet as cheese. It's a little bit because with this vegetable it makes a little bit marinated. It's lovely. I hope you try it and take back some of it because it's unique. Bye, take care. Thanks for watching.